Home life therapy connects mental health with one of life's essentials, the place we call home. Housing stress shows up in many ways: moving countries, sharing crowded spaces, working from home. Yet the emotional impact of where we live is often overlooked. I combine counseling and architecture training to help clients explore how their sense of home relates to their sense of identity, safety, and belonging. Step one is a quiz that's analyzed using AI to highlight points of stress. I personally review each response to ensure warmth, empathy, and meaningful insights. Especially useful if you've recently moved, live far from your place of origin, or sometimes feel disconnected from your surroundings. Through telehealth, this approach is original, insightful, and accessible.